Hello, I am Omotola of Perfect Beauty Crafts. Here is my entry for the 2025 Handcrafters Crochet Competition. Listen to the fun facts. For the main body of the bag, I used honeycomb stitches, while single crochet stitches was used for the side of the bag. The bag has two straps. For the long straps, I used caterpillar stitches, while for the short strap, I used single crochet stitches. Then for the clip of the bag, I used slip stitches. I also added a lining and a zipper to enhance the bag's durability and to prevent items from falling. The colors, red and gold, tells you about who I am. I am fearless and audacious. I go for what I want. The design of the bag shows to you how I pay attention to details and how I pursue excellence in all I do. This bag can also be used for different occasions. I present to you Omoti bag.